I'm going to release you on your own recognizance, which is your promise to appear. If you fail to appear, then you could be prosecuted for additional felony and if convicted, sentenced on that, regardless of what happens in this case. You'll be required to report to the probation department as soon as you get out of jail this morning. 117 East Main Street, you know where that's located?
Yes.
All right, you're to report to them once a week for 4 weeks, and after that, as they determine, undergo random drug testing that may order. Provide current phone numbers for home, cell, and employer. If recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse and mental health issues, and any treatments indicated to roll in and follow that. For dependency of this action, you'll also be under house arrest at your address at 3875 Blackwell Road in Pike County. You have to be at all times unless you're working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings in this or any other case, appointment with an attorney or probation officer in this or any other case, if you have any kind of schooling, job training, educational programming, classes, etc. You may also attend church, other than that you have to be at all times. Fail to comply, the court could revoke that bond and have you held until further order. Have any questions, Mr. Cliff? All right. So make sure you report to probation this morning. All right, are you Bobby L.A. Clifford?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Clifford, you were indicted by the grand jury on August 3rd on the charge of aggravated possession of methamphetamine fifth-degree felony. Alleging on about March 23 of this year, you knowingly obtained possession use methamphetamine under 29.511 Revised Code. That's a charge with aggravated possession of methamphetamine. Also a fifth-degree felony. Carries potential prison sentence if convicted of between 6 to 12 months, a fine of up to $2,500, and a possible license suspension of 6 months to 5 years. You're entitled to appointed counsel. Counsel with Howard will be appointed. So you fill out a financial disclosure form and everything on this form, correct, Mr. Clifford? I couldn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right, when's the last time you were employed?
About 6 months ago.
I'm sorry, here, then?
About 6 months ago. I'm sorry.
Where were you working?
I work for myself.
All right. Okay, the court will find that you are entitled to appointed counsel in this matter. Is this the first time you've been in court on this case?
This case, yes, sir.
All right. Okay, you were summoned in this case. Why are you being held in custody this morning?
Your Honor, he has charges out of municipal court and he's being held on an APA order as well.
Gotcha, all right. So you just served him the summons in this case?
Yes, that's
Gotcha,
just
all right,
serving
thank you. All right. Do you have an attorney in any of those other cases yet, Mr. Clifford?
No, sir.
All right. All right, the court appoints Attorney Dennis Kirk to represent you in this matter. He's from Hillsborough. In the absence of counsel, the court will issue or enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. It will set your first pretrial for this case on September 22nd at 2 p.m. Final pretrial will be October 6th at 2 p.m. Trial date will be October the 25th at 8 a.m. Since you were summoned in this case, I release you on your own recognizance only. That's your promise to appear. If you fail to appear, you could be prosecuted for additional felony. And if convicted, sentenced on that, regardless of what happens in this case, will also be required to pay a $171 deposit within 30 days. That's for certain statutory required fees. You'll be on pretrial supervision if you make bond on this case and the other cases. But in this case, as soon as you get out of custody, your report to the probation department, 117 East Main Street. You know where that is, don't you?
Yes, sir.
You report to them, and then you require to report to them once a week for 4 weeks after that as they determine under random drug testing in may order. By phone numbers for home, cell, employer. Recommended by probation, you can evaluate for substance abuse and mental health issues, and treatments indicated to enroll in and file that for dependency of this action. You'll also be under house arrest at your residence, 316 Johnson Street, Hillsborough. Meaning you have to be at all times unless you're working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings, in this or any other case, appointment with an attorney, in this or any other case. Also, you can go to probation officer, go to any kind of job training, educational programming, classes, etc. You can go to church as well, other than that you have to be there at all times. Fail to comply, then the court could revoke that bond and have you held until further order of the court. Have any questions, Mr. Clifford?
No, sir.